Transferring cryptocurrency from crypto.com is a straightforward process that requires some basic knowledge of cryptocurrency transactions. To begin, you need to have a crypto.com account and some cryptocurrency in your wallet. First, log into your crypto.com account using your email and password. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Accounts page where you can view all your cryptocurrency wallets. Select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer and click on the Send button. You will be prompted to enter the recipient's wallet address, the amount you want to transfer, and a note to identify the transaction. Make sure to double-check the recipient's wallet address as cryptocurrency transactions are irreversible. You can use the QR code scanner to scan the recipient's wallet address if it is available. After entering the recipient's wallet address and the amount you want to transfer, review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct. You will also see the transaction fee that will be deducted from your account. If everything is correct, confirm the transaction and enter your 2FA code to authenticate the transaction. The transaction will then be processed and the cryptocurrency will be transferred to the recipient's wallet. It is essential to note that different cryptocurrencies have different transaction processing times. So be patient and wait for the transaction to be confirmed on the blockchain. To ensure the security of your transaction, always use the latest version of the Crypto.com app and enable 2FA authentication. Also, never share your private keys or wallet addresses with anyone. In conclusion, transferring cryptocurrency from crypto.com is a simple and secure process. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can safely transfer your cryptocurrency to any wallet address.